I'm going to start another topic of the business economics, that is supply and market equilibrium. Before going to start the supply and market equilibrium, I want to introduce you one another topic which is related to that supply and market equilibrium, that is demand. What is exactly the demand? Demand for any goods, the customer which are ready to pay amount to purchase that goods at a specific time duration is known as demand, right? What is relationship of price of goods and quantity demanded? That is, price of the goods and quantity demanded in the market is inversely proportional, and it is also known as law of demand. Fine. Now let's start with another topic, that is supply. What is exactly supply? Supply is the quantity which is manufactured by producer and supplied to the market, for which the customers are willing and able to offer for a sell during a given period of time, but remaining other things are constant, right? It means supply is the terminology which is used for the goods or the quantity which is manufactured or produced by the producers for the purpose of offering for a sale during a given period of time. Now, in next series of this supply is what? Law of supply. What is law of supply? Law of supply, the quantity of goods supplied during a given period of time is directly proportional to the price of the goods. It means you can understand it with the help of that points. Increase in a price of the goods that leads to increase in quantity supplied. It means there is a directly proportional relationship between the price of the goods as well as the quantity supplied in the market. Vice versa case, if there is a decrease in the price of the goods, so the impact of that decrease in the price of the goods also decreases the quantity supplied in the market. That's why the law of supply is what? Quantity of goods supplied during a given period is directly proportional to the price of the goods. It can be understood with the help of a supply curve also. Here, there is a tabular format given to you through which you can understand what is exactly the relationship between supply and price of the goods at a different price of a good. For example, here, like at rupees 3, the quantity demanded in the market is 50 number of units. If the price will increase and it will become 4 rupees, the quantity supplied in the market is 75 number of units. Here, there at a rupees 5, the quantity demanded is 100 and at rupees 6, the quantity demanded in the market is 150. Next to that, if the price increases and it will become 7 rupees, the quantity supplied in the market is around 200 number of units. Right? It means it shows increasing order, price will increase as well as the quantity supplied in the market also increase in the ratio of the price of the goods. That's why the price of the goods as well as the quantity supplied in the market is directly proportional to each other. Now, the next in this series is what? Movement along the supply curve. Supply curve changes accordingly the price, and the other various factors which influence to move the supply curve. Right? First, the cause is the movement along the supply curve is due to reason of a price. If the price increases, the quantity demanded or supplied in the market is also increased. And that is called what? Changes in a quantity supply at a different prices. This is called the supply curve along with the price of goods will change. Now, there is a two type of a supply. One is known as individual supply, where we have to consider only the individual producer. But when we are considering market supply, there is a sum of the individual supplies of all the producers in the market. Right? Now, the most important part of the supply curve is what are the determinants. On basis of that, what the changes occur in supply curve. The first part in this is the changes in the technology, right? It is one of the important part of change in a good supply in the market. If the technology changes, it creates to quality supply of the goods, and the customers are ready to purchase that supply good in the market. The second important part in this is the changes in the price of the relevant sources. It means if there is a changes which is related to a supply goods, if there is a changes in the prices of that relevant resources, it also create changes in the supply curve. Similarly, if there is a changes in the prices of the alternative goods which is available in the market in respect to other supplied goods, there must be change in a supply curve. Similarly, if there is a changes in a producer expectation, which is based on the government interference, it also create the changes in the supply curve. And also one of important factor is for the number of producers which are available in the market. This is also another part to change in a supply curve. Right, students? The next part in this is what are the changes in a supply of the goods. The first in this is the changes create the causes of due to reason of what determinants to the supply curve. It also create the result that the relationship between the prices and quantity supplied at each and every prices a different quantity is supplied. And also the last point in this is new supply curve shift in a supply. For this, we can understand it how increase in a supply curve at a constant price. And if we are talking about at a constant price here, like at 6 rupees, the supply is also changed from 300 number of units to 400 number of units. This is was increase in a supply, right? The causes for this is what due to technological change. If you are producing goods on the basis of some technological changes, but the price of the goods are same, that creates what? The changes in the supply curve. Similarly, if we are cutting or we are decreasing the prices of resources as well as we are cutting the cost of the relevant resources, it will also create the changes in the supply curve and it increases the supply curve. If changes in the price of the alternative goods, what is impact of this? If the price of alternative goods increases, supply of the goods also increase. Due to reason of what? Due to reason that if the alternative goods increases its prices, it creates also more supply for that goods in the market. What are the producer expectations to increase the supply? Various guidelines by